What's going on, guys? Working on a 1970 C10. We're going to be removing the tank behind the seat and installing a Boyd's welding custom tank under the bed, and also a low car shifter, which currently we have just a B&M floor shifter right now. So stay tuned, show you step by step. All right, I got this thing up in the air. This is the area the tank's gonna go in. So we gotta remove this bar. So I already took out the rivets. Got a die grinder, cut a cross in it, and then hit it out with the air chisel. Came out pretty quick. So next I'm just gonna pop this little bar off, and then we can start test fitting the tank and seeing how everything's gonna fit. All right. Hey, what's going on, guys? Back on this C10. We're still putting the tank in the back. I removed the bed. But we're actually going to put a C-notch in it while we're here to give it a little bit more room for suspension travel. So if you look right now, that's the rear end dropped all the way down. So by the time you put the bed on and put the weight on, we have about 1 inch of travel, which is no good. So anyway, support the frame in the front, in the rear, and with the jack. We're going to put on this Performance Online kit out of Corona, California. It's a bolt-on kit. I'm probably gonna bolt and weld just because. But yeah. First thing, we're gonna remove the factory bump stops. And looks like we gotta take out the coil just to make some room to cut the frame. Hey guys, real quick. For these rivets, I just get the air chisel. Just knock them out. And then I'm gonna get my 3M sander and just kind of make it flush, and should pop right out with the hammer. But I'll see what happens. Okay, so we removed the shocks, upper shocks, the upper bolts for the spring, drop the rear end a little bit, watch the brake line, don't put too much tension on that. We knocked out the rivets on the bump stop and also the plate, the spring plate, if you will, which is right there. I also cut the inner plate, you see it, with the plasma cutter, and I'm gonna tack that on later. But anyway, this plate, you line up that rivet, and I'm gonna trace it out, and I'm gonna cut the frame with the plasma cutter. And we'll see how it goes. So far, it seems to fit pretty good. All right, so stay tuned. All right, one side bolted up. Looks pretty good. Went together great. There's your locating rivet. Let's see here. There's the back side. So I'm probably gonna weld in, probably put a bead here, bead on the back side. Just to do it right, in my opinion. So yeah, one side down, one side to go. All right, guys, what's going on again? Show you what I've completed since the last video. I have the frame all done, bolted up, little welds, a little extra insurance. I got the tank in, nice install. I like it, so check it out. Got the vent on the far side. with the, put a rollover valve in it, just in case, so if that ever happens, hopefully not. Gas won't leak out, start a fire. But yeah, both kits are super nice. I like. Drilling on the holes in the frame, that was kind of a bitch, but it is what it is. So next I'm gonna run the line, fuel line, and the sender wire to connect to the old stuff under the cab there. And yeah, I'll keep you posted. But yeah, tank fits great, no issues. Next I gotta cut a hole in the bed. Let's see, I marked it right there. So I'll show you how that goes next. All right, we're back. I got the bed on. Here's what everything looks like from underneath. C-channel kit. Little bump stop up there. Here's the tank. So yeah, great kit. Highly recommend it. Oh, let's see if I can get under here. It's my little shitty weld, but it sticks. Oh. So next, I still have to cut the hole in the bed, which I'll do from the upper side. I drilled some holes to mark my spot. But yeah, good kit. Next video, I will be cutting a hole in the bed. See how that goes.